Madhuri ji has been my ultimate favorite when it comes to dance and cinematic presence. Jeeta जैसे जो composer हैं, he comes from that background where he believes in rehearsing the song once. मम्मी मेरी पहली गुरु है, as you rightly said, Sharmishta ji. My first film I sang in when I was 16. It released when I turned 18.
I'll come to the questions now that I've taken. So the first question is by someone you know. His name is Jeet Ganguly.
अरे बाप रे जीता
Okay,
अच्छा
so his question is that you apparently write lyrics by your own hand for each the song that you're going to be singing. Okay, why is it so important for you? And I believe you keep all the songs, the ones that you write with your own hands. You've kept them with all of them
हाँ
with,
हाँ
with
मेरी 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 पूरी कबर्ड भरी हुई है with all the books of
that's what he told
notebooks
me.
I have.
That's what he told me. And what is it? So he's saying that after writing, what is it that you are thinking when you're going before the mic?
So अपने हाथ से गाना लिखने का एक बहुत बड़ा रीजन एक तो ये है कि जब मैं गाना लिख रही हूँ तब मैं गाना पढ़ भी रही हूँ गाना सुन भी रही हूँ so every word that I'm writing is just giving me the time to absorb the song so I write it in my own hand and printed sheet में निकाल के अगर मुझे कोई गाना दे देगा तो मुझे it just throws me off now it's my discipline that has become a habit but when I'm sitting there I'm maybe joking around हम लोग कॉफी पीते हैं हम बहुत कुछ कर रहे हैं तब बहुत सारी बातें होती है कि अच्छा ये बहुत दिनों के बाद हम मिलते हैं तो we are talking a lot of other things but the song is going in my mind the whole time and I'm rehearsing at the back of my mind before I have to go and I'm making sure that I've learned the song firstly because कोई भी गाना आपको लिटरली आप स्टूडियो में जाके पहली बार सुन रहे हैं तभी आप सीख रहे हैं तो गाना एक तो उसकी ट्यून याद करना पहला तो वो है उसके बाद उस गाने का जो एक फील है उसको आप इंटरनलाइज करने के लिए थोड़ा वक्त तो लगता है चाहे वो 2 मिनट हो 5 मिनट हो 10 मिनट हो you need that time so when I'm writing the song I take my own sweet time to write it my handwriting may be very bad but I make sure that I take some little notes if like Jeeta and Jeeta जैसे जो composer हैं he comes from that background where he believes in rehearsing the song once and he will sing it in his own वो गिटार पे पहले गाना सिखाएंगे और वो जब गाते हैं तो मैं बड़ा ध्यान से सुनती हूँ कि वो क्या जगहें ले रहे हैं वो क्या किस तरह से उस वर्ड को बोल रहे हैं किस तरह से वो वेरिएशन भी क्या उन्होंने सोची of course I may be adding a few things later but मुझे एक उनका विजन सुनाई देता है इस वक्त so Dada the answer to that question you know much more than me because we have sung so many songs together that I am just buying time as much as possible before going on the mic to learn it and internalize the song.
Okay, this is Shama from UK. Would you ever consider singing in English, doing an English cover? Na Wo Main is depictive of your talent and versatility. What's the story behind this song? Can we expect more independent music? That's a song that you've composed. Na Wo Main.
Na Wo Main is the last independent, just at the lockdown, this song released actually. It's not completely composed purely just by me and my brother.
Your brother.
Yeah. So Shama, the answer to your question is that I would love to sing in English, but unless I get an opportunity, but I feel Hindi and my Indian languages are my first comfort. I would always say that. I'm good at this. I feel I have somehow mastered. I won't say mastered, but I have gotten somewhere where I feel very comfortable singing. But English must be done because it's a global language. It will reach out to more people, I'm sure. And I will do more independent songs. Many of those are under production. मैं अभी कर भी रही हूँ घर से बैठ के काफी गाने हो रहे हैं and I'll release them soon.
All right, this is Akif from Bhayandar, Mumbai. A lot of remakes coming out these days, ruining the original songs. What do you think about it?
It's a bit sad because I feel there is so much talent and it's an understatement to say that there's so much talent because I have worked with most of them and even the new ones who are coming in, there are a lot of them who are capable of making so many original great melodies and great tracks and some of them are massive chart busters. So उसके होते हम क्यों वही गाने बार बार जो ऑलरेडी इतने बड़े हिट्स हैं इन द पास्ट, वो 90s के हो या पुराने रेट्रो गाने भी, 60s के गाने भी रिमिक्स हो रहे हैं, एक बार नहीं 2-3 बार रिमिक्स हो चुके हैं फेजेस में. सो आई फील why not create great tracks which the future generation, when after 50 100 years, what will that generation listen to? They will listen to something which is which has been rehashed for many eons, or something that is हमारे इस वक्त का गाना, हमारे इस वक्त का टैलेंट क्या काम करके गया है उसको सुने. तो हमको एक ये रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी भी है. एंड आई फील रिमिक्स का क्या रिकॉल वैल्यू बहुत हाई होती है, बिकॉज यू नो दैट ओ दैट पर्टिकुलर सॉन्ग, वो एक हिट गाना था, हाँ हाँ. सो उसको हिट कराना बहुत इजी है. So it's an easy way out for music companies and producers who feel that it's only about minting money and commercial numbers. But there is certain responsibility which comes with that kind of power that you have. So do couple of remixes, but do more originals. You know, keep a balance of everything.
So I was watching one of your interviews. You've said that you're fine with doing versions of old songs, but you don't want them in that manner कि वो एक वर्स होता है फिर एक अपना खुद का ऐड कर देते हैं. Just basically just उसका जो contamination हो जाता है गाने का, that is something that you're not happy with, and you would want, if you have to do it, in the original form.
मैं ऐसे अगर मदन मोहन साहब का गाना गा रही हूँ, लग जा गले गा रही हूँ, जो लता जी का गाया हुआ क्लासिक गाना है, जो मदन मोहन जी ने उस वक्त एक सर्टन विजन के साथ ये गाना बनाया था कि ये मुखड़ा है, इसके अंतर ये है, लिरिसिस्ट के साथ बैठ के उन्होंने कितनी सेशंस किए होंगे कि नहीं मुझे ये दूसरा शेर चाहिए, दूसरा अंतरा चाहिए, तुम ऐसे लिखो. कितना प्रोसेस हुआ होगा. अब मैं सडनली अगर उसके बीच में एक किसी और का थॉट, किसी और की ट्यून लेके आ जाऊं, you did not take permission of the original creator. So I would say that if the original creator is a part of that new addition that you've done, then it still is okay for me. कि अगर ये विशाल शेखर का गाना अगर एक another version निकल रहा है, so let that those two gentlemen be the part of the process. Let them do it. Don't get another third person to like, I don't know. I feel it's ethically wrong, and that's why I would not be a part of something like that.
This is Jyoti from Odisha. Can we ever get a chance to listen the mother-daughters collaboration? Please ask her to sing with her mother and post the video for us. It could be any song. Sharmishta auntie is her first guru.
Oh my God. अच्छा, मम्मी देखेंगे तो खुश भी होंगे, एम्बैरेस भी हो जाएंगे, लेकिन आई एम श्योर मॉम विल बी वेरी हैप्पी टू हियर दैट. मम्मी मेरी पहली गुरु है, एज यू राइटली सेड, शर्मिष्ठा जी मेरी मम्मी. ऑफ कोर्स मैं कोशिश करूंगी उनके साथ गाना. वो मुझे गाना सिखाती, मुझे बहुत डांटती, मुझे करेक्ट करती है, लेकिन वो गाती नहीं है आजकल. मुझे उसका बहुत दुख है. वो कॉन्फिडेंस उनका जो पहले था गाने का, वो अभी कम है, लेकिन मैं पुश करूंगी तो हो जाएगा. I'll make sure that we comply to this request of yours and come
That's
up
great.
with a video.
That's great. That's great. Okay, this is Nabilur Rahman from Pakistan. The question is favorite actress who did best dance or perform on your song.
Oh
Any of
God.
the actors that you felt performed the best on your song? Any of your song?
Oh my God. I think it's a long list of some amazing dancers, and not just dancers, some very great, expressions from these actresses that I've had. चाहे वो माधुरी जी हो. Actually, अभी recently सरोज जी passed away, and I was just going through all the songs that she has choreographed, and many of those songs were sung by me, and I felt so amazed. I was watching all these songs and I was thinking ki, what a big gift it was that her last choreographed song was तबाह हो गए, और वो माधुरी जी के ऊपर पिक्चराइज्ड है. और वो गाना उन्होंने इतना खूबसूरत एक्सप्रेस किया है, उनके मूवमेंट्स इतने ग्रेसफुल हैं. माधुरी जी has been my ultimate favorite when it comes to dance and cinematic presence. So I think it would be my choice, Madhuri ji.
All right. Okay, that's great. This is Anushka Saha from Kolkata. We all know Shreya Didi is the world's best female soulful and sweetest voice, but if we ask her opinion, then she loves to listen to which singer's song of this generation. It can be of any language.
Ooh,
Any
there are
singer that you
many.
like of this generation that you really like. Can be of any language.
अच्छा, आजकल क्या हो रहा है, हर एक साल में नया जनरेशन आ रहा है, सो आई डोंट नो विच जनरेशन टू एवरी ईयर देयर इज अ न्यू बैच of generation entering, so I have a lot of favorites that way. I I don't know whether अरिजीत एक को कौन से generation में डाला जाए, वो कौन से generation से belong करता है, but Arijit in male vocals is definitely one of my favorites now. And when it comes to फीमेल देर आर मेनी एक्चुअली. जोनीता है, मुझे बहुत अच्छी लगती है उसकी आवाज. साशा है, शिल्पा राव की आवाज मुझे बहुत पसंद है. या आई थिंक देयर इन द साउथ देयर आर मेनी मोर. श्वेता मोहन है, उसकी आवाज मुझे बहुत पसंद है. इट्स अ लॉन्ग लिस्ट बट आई डोंट नो. बट या मेल वोकलिस्ट भी बहुत हैं. जुबीन है, जिसके साथ मेरा दबंग का गाना है, साथ में गाया है हम लोगों ने. और कौन है? There are so many new wonderful voices coming in. I'm missing out probably a lot of them.
All right. This is Kanika Sarkar from Kolkata. When and to whom she gave her first autograph? Usually people do a little practice on their signature when it turns into an autograph. So how was her signature practice days? Did you practice your signature, your autograph?
No, I'd never. फरीदून, प्रॉब्लम क्या है ना कि मैंने बहुत बचपन में शुरुआत की है. मेरा फर्स्ट फिल्म आई sang when I was 16. It released when I turned 18. I had no clue what I was doing, to be honest. I had no idea now this will become a full-fledged profession where I'll have to attend awards, I'll have to go take flights to go perform. Itna nervous and itna naive and I'm not at all smart, if I would say. So definitely I never practiced it. I used to just write my name, अपना पूरा ही नाम लिखती थी. धीरे धीरे वो थोड़ा स्टाइलाइज्ड होता गया. उसमें से फिर आधे लेटर्स निकल गए and it's just now I don't know, it's just something. So I don't remember clearly when किसको मैंने पहला ऑटोग्राफ दिया था, वो तो याद नहीं मुझे, to be honest. But yeah, it has been a journey of my signature. It has changed over the time.
All right. This is an interesting request. Shimla Akinini from Hyderabad.
Yeah.
Can you ask her about the Tweet Up concert which she said about long years ago? I know it's not possible, but is there any alternate choice for fans? You want to do like a concert for fans on Twitter or something?
Actually क्या है कि ये बातें ना, हम ये जो सारे आप नाम ले रहे हैं ना, ये वो फैंस हैं जो इतना रेगुलरली मुझे लिखते हैं कि वो उनको सबको मैं पहचानती हूँ अभी.
अच्छा, okay.
So ये सारी बातें, मेरी कमिटमेंट मैंने कभी की थी कि हम करेंगे ये ट्वीटअप कॉन्सर्ट, बट वो कभी हुआ नहीं. और जिसका मुझे अफसोस है कि अभी लॉकडाउन हो गया, तो चाह के भी हम फिजिकली अभी वो नहीं कर पाएंगे. But if it really all, because I'm really missing this whole life we used to have. I used to meet, all of them used to come to the airports, the respective cities where I used to land. Well, I think Shimla, as you said, is from Hyderabad.
Yeah.
तो ये पूरा एक गैंग ऑफ फैंस है जो मैं कोलकाता में लैंड करूंगी तो वहां वो रहते हैं, हैदराबाद में हो तो वो एक बंच है, बैंगलोर में है तो you know they all would greet and I'm missing that love of meeting them at the airports now. So I'm sure कि जैसे ही everything normalizes, I'll do something special for all my fans, and I promise that I will do that.
What is your opinion on virtual concerts, considering that the real concerts may be tough in the near future? Are you open to virtual concerts?
Actually, the thing is, I have still not formed a proper opinion about it, because I would say that I definitely have to take up the talk about this, because it's a huge industry which was thriving on concerts, and the people who are, whether it's musicians, bands, or people who are from the event field, cine workers, and कितने लोगों का उनकी रोजी रोटी है जो अभी रुकी हुई है. And I feel that in a way, if we can do something which also helps them out in some way, I feel थोड़ा सा relaxation अगर हो जाए lockdown का, if things become little better, things might start with smaller sets, and I have hopes. So I do have an opinion about it, that I'm okay with doing virtual concerts as long as it's still an experience which is close to attending a real concert, which is hard to do because वो एक open air में जाके या बड़े पैमाने पे larger than life experience होता है. पर वर्चुअल कॉन्सर्ट अभी वही तरीका है, लोग भी तड़प रहे हैं कुछ सुनने के लिए, everyone is bored, and I want to help out in any way if possible to my industry people, if in whatever way.
All right, so this is Arunima, and our question is, while recording a song, do you stick to the dictates, instructions of the music composer, or do you improvise at times? So before you answer that, I have a small story to tell you. So I interviewed Asha ji, as I mentioned to you. So she told me that एक बार क्या हुआ कि मैं जब नई थी तो मैं स्टूडियो पहुंची, तो कंपोजर थे, तो उन्होंने मुझे बताया कि सब चीज़ें रेडी हैं, सब कुछ जो भी है। तो उन्होंने कहा कि सब देखिए गाना वाना सब रेडी है जो भी उस तरीके से, और खिचड़ी पक चुकी है, आपको बस खाना है। उन्होंने she went before the mic and she took it as a challenge and all that, उन्होंने बहुत ही कमाल का उन्होंने गाया हुआ है। तो जब उनका रिकॉर्डिंग हो गई तो उसके बाद आके उन्होंने कंपोजर से कहा कि खिचड़ी को बिरयानी बना दिया ना। So I think it's a very good question that how much of an improvisation that you bring to the table?
See, I would say that it is a very, as song to song it differs, composer to composer it differs. I am truly saying it because वो हर जगह पे वो खिचड़ी को बिरयानी नहीं बना पाऊंगी मैं। कहीं कहीं बिरयानी बनाने का मौका दिया जाता है कि do it. कहीं कहीं कुछ कंपोजर्स ऐसे होते हैं जिनको एक, जैसे मैंने साउथ में इलैयाराजा सर के लिए काफी गाने गाए हैं। अभी वहां पर अगर मैंने कोई लाइन अलग गा दी तो मुझे बहुत डांट पड़ती। और अगर मैंने कुछ जैसे उन्होंने कहा कि इनफैक्ट इंक्लूडिंग कि अगर आपने वो लाइन सीधा नोट नहीं लगा के उसमें विब्राटो डाल दिया तो भी वो नहीं चलेगा। Whereas there are so many composers who are waiting कि वो सिंगर का इनपुट आएगा तो इसमें एक नया कलर आएगा, और उसमें ऐसे बहुत लोग हैं, बहुत अच्छे कंपोजर्स हैं, इंक्लूडिंग आई वुड से महारथी जो है सब, वो भी वो वेट करते हैं कि एक सिंगर से जो इम्प्रोवाइजेशन आएगी। सो आई टेक माई चांसेस कि जहाँ यहाँ पे मुझे करने का मौका है तो मैं बिल्कुल भड़ास निकाल देती हूँ। जहां पे मुझे लगता है कि नहीं आई शुड नॉट, देन आई डोंट।